Welcome to how to set up hotspot mode on a TP-Link portable router. This is the main router. I've written down the name and password for the wireless network on the main router. And here is the TP-Link portable router. Front view, like a car radiator. Back view, the ports. Power. USB. LAN. 1. Below. The default wireless network is printed on the device. Next, I'll connect to this router using the default wireless network. Mode switch. There are 3 different modes. You slide the switch to select the mode. APRI. Hotspot. In this case, I'm using hotspot mode. Power. Next, I'll go to the steps to set up the TP-Link portable router. You can use a computer or phone. This is the default wireless network on the TP-Link portable router. Password. Enter the default wireless password printed on the device. Next. Connected. Next, access the device management page. TP-Link Wi-Fi.net. Continue. OK. Advanced. Proceed to TP-Link Wi-Fi.net. Create an administrator password. Create a password with at least 8 characters, including numbers, uppercase and lowercase letters. New password. Confirm password. Show. Let's get started. Exit setup. Exit. Maybe later. Next, set up hotspot mode. Internet. Enable hotspot. Wi-Fi scanner. Scan surrounding wireless networks to find the main router. Scanning in progress. Wireless network found on the main router. Connect. Password. Enter the wireless password on the main router. 1234567889. Save. Switch. My computer lost connection to the router. Detecting. Applying changes. Wait a moment. Completed. Public Wi-Fi. Completed hotspot mode setup on TP-Link portable router. The above are the steps to use a TP-Link portable router as a hotspot. I recommend using this method at the airport or hotel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Speed test. Download. 52. Upload. 92. If you don't want to use the default wireless network, you can change it as follows. Wireless. Network name. Password. 12345678. Network name. Password. 12345678. Save. Check the result. Connect to the newly created wireless network. TP-Link. Password. 12345678. Connected. Good luck.